Hi guys, today I'd like to talk about the absolute worst clasp safety catch on any watch. What am I referring to? I'm referring to the safety clasp that is on my Breitling Super Ocean. The Breitling Super Ocean. I'm talking about the Milanese bracelet. This is the shark mesh bracelet, and I want to tell you, the bracelet, the buckle sucks. Now let me explain here. Now I'm a bit of a biter, meaning I sometimes chew my nails. I don't have huge nails. So how do you undo the safety? Well, you put your fingernail in there. Fuck! It just hurts. Look, it just hurts. And how do you open this buckle up? Fuck! It hurts. It really fucking hurts. So, you know, I just want to tell you, this would have to be the worst bloody safety buckle in the world. The worst clasp I've ever seen on a luxury watch. And I mean, this is Breitling. It's a upmarket brand. They're expensive. They're absolutely expensive. But let me show you this. Okay, so we use my other hand then. Okay, so I use a small finger. Fuck! Fuck! Look, it's pulling my nails off. Fuck! Fuck! Look at that. And then I want to undo this clip here. Fuck! It just hurts. It's just one of the worst systems I've ever seen. I mean, often they've got push. You know, you look at something like an IWC. I mean, many people have given me shit about my IWC Ingenua, but the bracelet itself there, it's got very simple, it's got a little push. You just push that, release, push and release. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Don't tell Clyde. I just want to put it on for 30 seconds. Oh, fuck, fuck. Don't tell Clyde I put it on. Oh, I want to leave it on. I want to leave it on. Oh, shit. Just press the button. Press the little button here, and it undoes. Look at that. Look at that. Very, very. Click that, and it opens. It's not like that annoying bloody Breitling. And I mean, even the Omega Speedmaster, man on the fucking moon, man on the fucking moon. What has it got on its buckle there? Well, it's just got two things. You press, deploy. Just put it on. Don't tell Clyde. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put that fucking Breitling back on. And that is a big issue. See, the big issue is that some of these watches here are an absolute bitch. Absolute bitch to put on. And, I mean, if you're a biter, if you're a bit of a biter, a pillow biter maybe, a biter, you can have the same nastiness too. So let's have a look. I want to put this on. I got to put this shitter on. Fuck! Fuck! Look at that. It's pulling my nails out. And then I'm going to undo it here. Fuck! Fuck! Look at that. Just nasty. This is one of the worst buckle bracelet, the worst bracelet I've ever come across. The worst bracelet. That's the Breitling Super Ocean. That is the most annoying bracelet I've ever seen. It's the most annoying. It really pisses me off. Really, 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 really pisses me off. So, yeah. What is the worst bracelet you've come across? So, tell me, comments below, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Comments below. Tell me what you guys think of that. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury channel. Guys, I want to talk to you today. It's very, very important. Men cannot live on Google ads alone. I depend on your support to keep me on YouTube full time. Guys, there's a number of ways you can help me stay on YouTube producing content. Number one, you can organize a paid review. That's right. I will make a video for US $20 minimum, and I will review your collection. I'll answer a question for you. So, you know, normally takes, about 14 days, 10 to 14 days for me to make these vids. The other thing you could do to sponsor me and help me stay full-time on YouTube is sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a small amount of money, like $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, anything, any amount you want over $1, you can, and it basically sends $1 each month to me. Now, you can cancel at any time if you're sick of the show or you don't like me anymore. So guys, help keep me full-time on YouTube. Paid reviews, I do. Sponsor me on Patreon, and Patreon people get advanced screening of some videos and secret videos. Not to mention, I got advertising space on the fridge. Come on, guys, keep me full-time on YouTube.
Okay.